Hello and welcome. Today let's talk about how to make likes visible on X. So the truth is that actually you can do that because since 2024 X made all likes private by default, and there's actually no option in your settings to make them public again. So your likes tab is only visible for you and nobody cannot see it. Even your followers cannot access it. But if you want people to know what you enjoy, what posts you like on X, and you want to share that with X community, the only option that you have is to retweet some kind of post, or also you can quote it. So go to some specific post that you're interested in and tap these two arrows in square icon and select repost or quote. For example, let's select repost, and when I go to my profile I will see it in my posts section. This way someone can see on your profile that you reposted this post, and they can see it in your profile because it's public. So that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.